And the camp host site. Firewood for sale. I think I saw it was $10 a piece. Up here we have the full hookup sites, starting with site 21. Site 22. Site 23. Site 24. The ones on this side get a little shade in the morning. Site number 25. Six. We have bathroom. Sorry, to wait on the puppy dog. A big field in the middle. You can imagine that's the septic. It's 27. Lovely sidewalk art. Site 28. These sites don't have any hookups. They do have water between them. Say 30. Like 31. Like 32. See how windy it is. So we walk back here to the permanent sites. It's been that windy all but one day that we've been here. And when the wind stopped, the biting gnats came out. Back to site 32. And 33. $34. Here we have 35. Right beside 35, there's a couple of picnic tables and a spot you can walk down to the water. And we have the big field and different view of the bathhouse. Sorry, we have a dog that's got to stop and sniff. The joys having a beagle. Okay. So we go back up here, we have 3 cabins. Maybe 4. We'll count them as we go by. All the facilities here are very nice. What you would expect from a state park. The state park, I think, opened last fall, so it's still fairly new. Here in April of 2025. Okay, there's 4 cabins. The first one being trout cabin number 36. Then we have mullet cabin 37. You'll notice we seem to have a fishy theme going on. Flounder number 38. Red drums 39. Guessing this is a handicap one with the paved site. Same as 25 for the RVs. Site number 40. These are back to full hookups. With the trees, I get some shade in the morning. Here we have 41. And 42. And coming up on our last site, number 43. If you have enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel, Lazy RV Cooking. we'd really appreciate it. Hopefully you can hear me through the wind. And thanks for watching. There's site 44. Eventually we'll get back there. You got a picnic table, a lantern holder, fire ring. Great view of the creek. I think it said this was Queen's Creek. Now we're going to take a short cut through the woods here over to 45. Do it back. .44 definitely has the better waterfront advantage. But you have the same fire pit, picnic table, lantern holder. Guessing the tree means you don't walk any farther. Beware of the speed bumps. They are little but mighty.